Wait, Isabella, did Attack on Titans, next part of Attack on Titans come out yet?
I joined you.
Alright, but I took out my no, Isabella, to take out my recorder, that's why. And I can't. This always happens. Every time when I'm trying to join somebody when you playing your iPad, but I join you all the time, bro. Oh my! I don't even play with my brothers. I don't even play. They don't even play Roblox.
What are you talking about? No one's speaking to you.
Bro, I heard you say something.
I'm talking to Isabella.
Alright, Isabella, join me. Oh, what's up, Isabella? Bro, what's wrong? If she wants to join me, she could join me if she wants.
She could, there could be an argument for brothers, but she does not decide who they are. But it stopped me for a while ago. I had to say sorry, and she never does that for me.
What? Isabella, you see when you're in an argument, you say sorry because you never say sorry. But if you can't always just say sorry though. That's one of the. Yeah, you got to do something else. You can't always just say sorry. You got to fix problems. All right, that's how I do it with Courtney. And you, bro, it's literally cold over here. How's my arms sweating? The hell, bro? I smell the same way from last night. Yo, Isabella. Wait, Courtney, you gonna join us or you gonna continue playing? Yeah, Isabella, you wanna join a plane? Yeah, Isabella, follow me. Isabella? Why did Isabella type in the chat? Yes. Alright, come. Alright, dude, you wanna join us? Alright. What you say? Yo, dude. The highest views I got is 17 and 16. Nah, 17 and 8 and 9 views. And that means I have 34 views. Alright, alright. La. Oh, hi, Isabella. I never knew you were gonna come on the plane with me. Okay, I'm just gonna lie down. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Kay. I will be your pilot in this flight. As probably as your regular plane. Ladies and gentlemen, I will welcome you to 991 Presidential Aircraft. You heard right. The president would like to cooperation properly with you guys. You saved the airplane last time. We will still don't understand how the captain lost control of that time. Always, you saved the day. That is the reason why we are here. Alright, enough chatting. At least she's done. She sounds like a Karen. Dang. Please find a seat that has the golden label with your name on it.
What?
Bro, okay, hold up. Bro, as I bust out my recorder, I have to leave. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the lobby. Yo, dude, Courtney wants to play. He wants to play too.
He's going to gate.
Alright, dude, you joined? Where is you? Alright. Yo, what's up? What's up? Yo. Alright. Let me act. Alright. Yo, dude, that was a good day. Bro, this idiot had to freak friend me, request me. I hate him, bro. Alright, let me start over. What a nice day, bro. What's up, Courtney? We're gonna go on the airplane. You too, Isabella. We're gonna have a trip. What? I'm gonna get my luggage later. I'm gonna Alright. Yo, I'm gonna have to trim this out, bro. This costs you you owe me $10. It's a joke.
Right now, I'm just waiting for my friend so I can go on the
Yo, what's up, dude? What's up, bro? You wanna go on that airplane?
I'm saying I'm on recorder. When I say, hello everyone,
Nah, dude, don't start off with that, bro. No, hello everyone. No, bro. You're literally. Alright, hide right here.
Alright. I'm gonna be like, bro, I'm gonna be like, bro, what the heck? Why is it taking them so long? And then I'm like, oh, hello guys. Right now I'm just waiting for them. They take a mad long.
Isabella, hide over here. No, Isabella, come here before he sees you.
My big wings. Alright, Isabella, gonna stick her wings out. And then they're gonna see it and they're gonna be like, oh, she's right, it's my same there. I'm gonna be like, what the heck? I need to use the liquid.
Alright, I'll just go out then. Alright, go. Start action.
I'm sorry. It's loading. Oh my god. Oh, hello guys.
Oh, what's up, dude? Wonder where Isabella at.
I see someone's wing.
What?
Bro,
Bro, whose wing is that?
Oh, hey.
Oh, Isabella, I thought. Alright, but guys, we're gonna go on a trip, alright? We're gonna go on a private plane. Let's go, guys.
Let's go to plane B. Alright, let's go to plane B.
Yeah, let's go. Yo, dude, come, bro. Hurry up.
There's somebody in plane B.
It doesn't matter, guys. Let's just go. Bro, it's too late. Let's go.
to plane C.
Nah, Gate A has too many people. We're going on a private jet. No, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go in here.
I'm very excited.
Yo, dude, we're over here. Come over here. Yo, come on.
I stopped the clip. I'm gonna play the next clip of us in the plane.
Don't do no EP, dude.
Huh?
Don't do no EP. Yo, Isabella, get out.
No, get out.
Yo, don't.
Oh, guys. Oh my god. It's a team with one person in gate.
Yo. Alright, dude, make the clip. Nah, don't start. That's the worst. Nah, don't start. Bro, this girl. Yo. Too many people, bro. Too much people joining. We need something private. We don't. Yo, guys, come here. Yo, do. Bust him. Yo, get it. Yo, Isabella's the only one who could sit. Jeez, calm down, Isabella. down. Alright, dude, start recording. Sit down and start recording. Isabella, calm down before you get in trouble.
She is right next to me. Hello. She is right next to me.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Yo, dude, I'll read. Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
My name is Kaylee. I will be a pilot for this flight. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Ladies and gentlemen, I will welcome you. 991 President Africa. You heard right. The president would like to cooperation with you guys. To save the plane lifetime. We still don't understand how the captain lost control of that time. Always, you saved the day. That is the reason why we are here. So guys, chill out, God. Alright, enough chatting. Wait, Isabella and Courtney? I never knew y'all guys were on the plane.
Oh, I never knew y'all were on the plane. Wait, what? How are you guys on the plane?
Bro, y'all was on the plane? Yo, take a seat.
What the? Yo! Oh, even on the local jumper around. Oh my god.
Did we just do a battle? Thank you for your cooperation.
Read your part, right? Read when you speak to me. I read the lady.
Dude, add some voice texture into it.
You have been informed. A president.
Instructions.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. And remember, no one should know about this. What is? Yo, guys. What?
There's a note in here.
Did anyone else see that? Wait, what? There's a note? Welcome to the President Airport. Alright, I grabbed and corrosion for what we have done. Your country is grateful. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. Yo, I've been sweating. I'm thirsty. Yo, guys, move. I'm thirsty. Wait, guys. There's a note in here. There's a note. Yo. There's a note in here for real. There's a note. Yeah, I'm not lying. What is that note? It says, do not, what? Yo, guys, you want some, who wants water, bro? Get it. Please, everything will be case of kind of trouble in the airplane. That is all. President should almost be ready. Yo, dude, you want some water? Grab it. Yo, dude, let me grab some water. Oh my god! Oh no, I'm so sorry. Yo, I gotta clean this up, bro. Nah, dude, it's my fault. I broke it. Yo, please find something to clean this mess, or else we will have to. Yo, move. Yo, just move. I'll do it. I'm the one who did this.
No, I will help.
Clean. No, it's my fault. I did this. That's great. It's clean. Yo, dude, I'm gonna smuggle you with this broomstick. Bruh, he took my broomstick. President is ready. Please follow the dining room. Yo, guys, get back before the door closes on y'all. Alright, let me go in.
Wait,
Yo, move. Hey. Bruh, build that brick wall. The hell you just say? Wait, what? I'm sorry. It's just a habit. Yo, why is he looking at your butt like that? Ew. Always welcome to my airplane. My name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Roadblocks Streets. Yo, you must know our heroes are for the nation. We have the delicious meal prepared for the special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off the plane. We take care of him, Mr. President. Yo, guys, you like how the president voice sounds? He sounds like a gentleman. Isabella too fat. Look like a good chef. Why did he say, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Why did he call you fat? Why you call? Well, you better learn how to cook, or else I'm throwing you off the plane too. Isabella, you already know how to cook, though, right? You could do this. I'll tell you the instructions, right? I'll read the instructions for you. I will tell you the instructions and to find them and drop them into the soup for the time runs out. If you grab the wrong ingredient and throw it into the trash can, but you could be quick. You are ready. Time to cook. You need fish. Fish, Isabella. Grab the fish. Fish, grab the fish. You put it in the pot. Put it in the pot. Touch the pot. The soup needs butter. Yes. Good. The soup needs eggs. Go. The soup needs corn. Put that thing in. Shove that baby in. The soup needs eggs. More eggs. Put the eggs in. The food is ready. Yo, dude, we're gonna eat food. I'm gonna take my seat. Yo, food though. Yo. I'm the CEO. Yo, Isabella. Let me take a bite out of that chicken, bro. I love chicken. Yo, chase her down. She got chicken. You lucky. You gotta sit down. You lucky. Let me eat this food though. Enjoy. Give me that chicken. I'm gonna beat you though. I knocked out Isabella. Dude, I ate all the food, bro. I'm not hungry, so I'm gonna take a bite out of this chicken. We hope you enjoyed the soup earlier. You should be something you mean again. at the presidency. Please follow the path to the computer room. Yo, guys, I'm a hacker, so I've been on this plane one time. I'm a hacker, guys. Welcome to the computer room. We must use this room to protect any cybernet attack our systems. The president is waiting for the presidential suit. The order to protect the president is the secret.
You don't have to do anything.
Nah, I'm not. I'm a hacker. You must try to figure out the code. Good luck.
What's the color of the team? Brown.
No, red.
Hot mama tea. Bro, stop it. I'm trying to do it. Go on.
Okay. Alright. I hacked.
Stop it, Aiden! Who is?
Good. Alright.
Yeah, bro, see, I'm cracked from Fortnite.
Nah, bro, I'm a real hacker. Whoa, we really need to work on that code. Meet the president.
I see a note.
Yeah. Wait, what? There's a note? Meet the president. Yo. Hello again. Sorry I had to leave earlier. I had said, everyone, get everything ready. Yeah. The special guest has let you know to sleep in the president's bedroom. For some reason, we can't find the keys. Can you look for them?
How come you have three?
Wait, I found the keys, guys. I found them.
You suck. You weren't trying to get it.
Yo. I was looking because as he said, find the keys and I find them.
You suck. You knew it was.
No, I didn't, bro. I was looking for them.
I found some keys. So guys, I found the note. It says him. I found some keys. Go. I found some keys.
I'll give you guys time to get comfy. Bro, this man's weird. He's a pedophile. To get comfy. Bro, he's a real pedophile. Oh, no. Oh, he loving on us, bro. No, I'm not getting comfy. These are... The man's nasty, bro. I'm going to bed.
I go to bed? Like, is that a lock? Is that a
Bro, that was a nice sleep. It's nighttime already. Bro, I feel tired, bro. I can't sleep, and my legs, it just hurts, bro. Guys, dude, read. Bro, why is the curtain moving? Why is it moving? What is that? Oh no, bro. Yo, I'm out, bro. Yo. Oh no, run. I'm gonna die. Yo, bro, we're gonna die, bro. Oh my gosh. Yo, everyone, get back. Yo, run. We need to get out the road. Oh my god, we're gonna die. Oh my god. What happened to Courtney? Yo, Isabella died. I heard crispy sounds, bro. No. Oh no, she died. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna call the cops, bro. I gotta cop block her, bro. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yo, Courtney, where is you, bro? Hurry up. You all the way over there. Hurry up, bro, before you get burned. Yo, dude, hurry up. Come in the store. You're gonna die. Oh my god, you're gonna die! Yo, dude, you dead? Hello?
No.
Yo, hurry up! The water, the lava coming from the floor. Oh no! What? I'm gonna burn to death! Ah!
I can't wait until you guys die.
The fire is gone. Bro, no! I got stuck. You come in the storage room. I got stuck. Bro, I got out. Come in the store. Guys, the phone is ringing. We should pick it up. Yo, dude, you got it? Hey, guys. I'm glad you picked up. Something's terrible is happening on the plane. You didn't say. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come out the pilot cabin. Okay. Oh, you can open the door. Yo, I gotta get out, bro. Yo, I gotta get out. Get closer while, but be careful. Be careful. Be careful. No, I can't. I gotta go to school then. You will not escape this time. Ah. Oh no, bro! Yo, run, bro! Run like you say, bro! Run like you say. Bro, Courtney getting chased down, bro. I gotta save him. I gotta save my man, bro. Gotta save this dude, this man, bro. Bro, Courtney died. Oh no, bro, bro, he getting chased down. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Oh my god, I'm sitting down, bro. I'm using boat, bro. You can't catch me. You didn't even put a single hand on me, bro. Oh my.
I'm in it.
Yo, you didn't even put a single hand on me, bro. You didn't even put a hand on me. You so fool. The door's open. Get in. Oh my god. Yo, I gotta run, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, what you called me for? Great. Everything is here. What's going on? We saw the monster again. Did he follow us here? He didn't follow you here. It made you come here again. I knew this was something wrong with here. The good news is I'm not just a pilot.
But
I'm also the secret agent about this monster. He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. Matter of fact, no one ever liked him. And there was something about planes. He always abused with plane in scary ways. He liked to read news about plane crashes. So he tried to make a plane crash. No. He died of a heart attack when he was about to do it. His spirit chases people like you guys because he blames you for his death. Now you know that the story about the monster. You must know he can take any shape. He could be any agent, even the president. But I'm not sure yet. Take the gun. You only have one chance to no to kill him. I'm doing a freaking video. So who's taking the shot? Me or you? I will do it. I'll do it. Okay? Okay. Alright. Good luck, guys. I'll do it for you and your family. Okay? I'm going. There you are! We have been looking for you! It's over! We have discovered the monster! You monster! What? Put that gun down! What are you doing? What are you? I know the plan to kill us. We know who the monster is. You are making a huge mistake. We are not the monsters. I don't trust you. You agent, you seem sus. Like your cut, G. Say. It was the monster. Oh my god. Ah! What is that thing? It's the monster. Mr. President. It has been haunting us since the first trip. It has tried to take advantage of this trip to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Conversations, President. You saved the day again, once again. That is so scary. Let's go home. At least it is finally gone now. Finally gone.